Hello beautiful people, I'm Polly from Charming Tabby. In this video I'm going to show you how you can make those beautiful rustic tags for junk journals. And they're very easy. First thing first, please subscribe for my channel, like this video and watch the rest of my videos because you're going to find them useful for your junk journals. So let's get started. It is simple. I'm not using something different or something specific. I'm going to use this cardstock that I have from from Sweets. So I'm going to use it, and I'm going to use this paint that I love very much. Oh, it's oil paint, this one here. And we are going to see what will happen. Okay, let me remove my tags because probably it will need a lot of time for those tags to get those beautiful rust effects that you see, because I'm going to use one rust effect set that is active after 1 or 2 hours. I'm going to tell you that I use those dice actually, and where I bought them from AliExpress. They were very cheap. So I bought those tags. If you have such tags in this shape, or if you don't have any kind of dice or punches, you can make them by hand like this. Those two are made by hand. Just measure them and make them as bigger or smaller as you like for your projects. I think that they look very beautiful and gorgeous. I'm very happy with the result. Okay, let's get started. I'm going to use, as I said, this cardstock, and I'm going to put a little bit of my paint here. Randomly, of course. Okay, let me just close it properly. What is happening here? Okay, it closed. Okay, let me remove this one here because I won't need it anymore. I know that it's oil paint, but it's still very unpleasant when I have something from this oil paint on my hands, because honestly I can't remove it very easily. Okay, this is going to be my let's just remove the axis. Okay, from this part here I'm going to let me just throw those away because I won't need them. And from this part here, of course, as always, I forgot to take, I'm sorry, I have to go and take a napkin. I'll be back. Okay, I took napkin because I would like to make some smoothies. But before this, I'm going to use those vintage papers. and glue them over the place that I'm going to use. Okay. I'm going to put a few here and there, just as an effect. Because in the end, everything with using this structured paste is going to be covered, and believe me, you won't see it. Oops. As you can see, I'm putting those pieces of papers randomly. It's not some kind of specific. I'm going to cover a little bit here that is left. And now I'm going to use, as I promised, my napkin. This is the reason why I need it. Okay. And now I'm going to use this craft rust set because I want to put some rust paint here and there. Let me take scissors and cut a little bit of this because I need a little piece from it. Okay, I'm going to return this one and put it next to me. And I'm going to put it between the lines here, like that. Okay. And I'm going to put from this one here. Little, very little. Some of the places. Okay. Let me glue or just remove it. Like this is better. And I'm going to smudge it one more time. I still have some of the paint here. As I said, now you are able to see only pieces from the papers that you used, because my main idea is to look and to see this paste, this structure paste. Now I'm going to use a little bit from it. Not so much. And if I need, I'll come back. Let me remove those papers that I won't need any longer. And those little pieces here. And I'm going to put them somewhere next to me. And this is the second set that I'm going to use for wrist effect. I love it because you're putting real metallic powder inside. And you will hear the effect when it starts. It's very strange noise. You're going to hear it. I put this time more because I want to see and try what it's going to look like with a little more from this powder. And I'm going to use which one this time for my tags that I show you. I use this one. Probably I'm going to use this one here. Why not? It's going to look different. And let me just remove here and here and all these things that I don't need. Okay. Oops. Okay, let me remove it gently. Gonna put some here from it. Okay. And on this part here, okay, and this is it. So let me remove this one carefully, because I'm going to clean it after a little bit. As you can see, this is the main idea. Next thing that I'm going to do is to use all these regions, and you will hear the sound, what strange sound they make when they're mixed together. Very interesting, especially this one. Probably you're going to hear it. Can you hear it? Okay. Sounds very interesting. I feel like chemistry, or alchemistry actually. Like I'm making gold or something. So unfortunately, I will need to wait about 1 or 2 hours. But as I showed you, this is the main idea. And for the back, after everything is dry, I'm going to put some papers that I have from vintage books, so I could cover the logo and the everything that is in the back. So this was from me for today. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and let's say that I hope that this was very interesting. So I wish you an amazing day, guys, and get inspiration from the nature and the people around you. So one more time, please subscribe for my channel and watch the rest of my videos. So see you in the next week, when I'm going to show different projects. And thank you for watching this video. Bye bye, guys.